Okay, in this video we will take all the contours which are now in the correct height, and we will divide them into points and then make it into a 3D mesh. And first we'll do it in Rhino, and afterwards we'll do the same thing in Grasshopper. So I'm taking all these contours, just selecting them, and I will type divide, and I will make sure that split is set to no, so I will not split them, I'll just mark the points. I will divide by length so that I have equal distance between all the points, and then I can set the distance to, for instance, 500 millimeters. Pressing enter, I will get a lot of points. It might be too much, but we'll try. Then I will select all the points, cell point, cell PT, and I will use a tool called mesh patch. Mesh patch. Just type enter. And it's making this 3D mesh out of the points. So I can see that the division were probably a little too close in this case. But anyway, here's the landscape, and something wrong here. And then, but anyway, I will delete it and I will select the point. I will do the same in Rhino. So in Grasshopper. So Grasshopper. And there is. So I will make a new document. And I want to fix this one, this little curve here. I just want to delete it. And I will take all the curves and reference them from Rhino into Grasshopper. So I will make a curve container. It's also located here. And I will right click and set multiple curves. And I just select all the curves, Control A, and enter. Now they are referenced into Grasshopper. Then I will divide. And I will divide by length. So this one is located here. Okay, I can find it right now, but just by holding Control and Alt, find a division divide length, of course. So I will input all the curves, and I will set a length. So 500 was a little too short, so maybe 2000 millimeters is better. And you can see my points. And then also I can, of course, edit this one. And then I'll do the same as I did in Rhino, but this here it's called Delone mesh. And this one is located in this. So points into points. And this didn't turn out so well, and the reason is that we have three inside point. So all the points of the first curve are located in the first list, and all the points of the second curve are located in the second list. But don't worry about that, because we want them all now in the same list. So I'm just going to flatten my list. And you can also see that this line is dotted, and that means it contains a tree. So like this. And that's my 3D mesh. And I can also add this extra point just to make it better. So I think this more point. right click, set 1 point, and then I can just add it to the list of points by holding in Shift. So probably it was almost correct height, maybe one. And then I can bake this again. So I now have a mesh. I can right click and bake, and I'll put it in the default layer. Okay. Then I'm just going to turn off Grasshopper, and this is my baked 3D mesh in Rhino. So that's it.